guys, welcome back to my channel Cloud Vlogs. So guys, today we are going to review the old and the legendary piece 1998 centuries, the Vespa. So guys, let's go. We are going to review about this. So guys, let's start the video. So guys, let's talk about the front part of this Vespa. So guys, the front part comes with the front wheel with the shock absorber. As you can see, it's a hydraulic shock absorber, and it comes with the drum brakes, and it comes the very build quality of the mudguard. It is metal, and here we comes as the indicators. As you can see here, indicators of this motorcycle is full of metals, very strong metal it is, as you can see, and the manufacturing is the LML. And here comes the one full headlight, and they have two mirrors. So guys, this is the coming handle part here. As you can see, the speedometer, which of 120 speed here, and here we can see the dim dipper, the horn switches, and the headlight switches here. And this is the front brake of the part. And here we come as the indicator switch. Okay, indicator switch is here, and we have the clutch and gear together here. So this has 1 to 4 gear, 1 2 3 4 gears. So first gear goes down and rest gear goes upside. It's same like a motorcycle. And come back to your down part. As you can see, this is the bonnet where you can keep storage here. You can see you can keep storage, any equipment you want. And here you're getting as a back lever, brake lever, which is for back brake. And this is the footrest where you can keep your legs freely. Comes with for the seat. Okay, seat is also very comfortable and a very suspicious space here. And here we can see this for engine cover, in case of not getting any damage for the engines. And this is the kicking part of the Vespa. And here comes the indicators, here back indicators, two indicators, and the tail light, as you can see. And one more thing, you can open this from here. The bonnet is from here. You have to open this, and this is the fuel tank, fuel system, everything you can see here. And for Stepney, you can open this part here and remove tires, and you can upload new tires also from this. So guys, so this is you can see here Stepney here to keep the tire here in this. And there is before, in olden days, there would not be any batteries, so they used to use the electromagnetic system where they used to generate the electric power with this. And this is the to keep the storage for the tire. Okay, this is the way you have to keep it here. So yeah, so guys, olden days people used to bend this way and they used to start the scooter. Why? Because the fuel will be not sufficient for the carburetor, so that's why they do this method to get fuel entered and to start the scooter. In olden days, people used to use these two-stroke engines. So for these two-stroke engines, they used to mix their 2T oil for the better of lubrication of the piston. So here, the below of this engine, there is the silencer, and this is the result of it. This is all the specification, all of this scooty of this Vespa. So guys, let's have a small test drive on this.
Staring at the sun in my eyes. I've been keeping on the run every night. But you're too far away to see the signs. So I'm staring at the sun till I'm dry. 'Cause I need to learn to.
So guys, I hope you like this video, and I hope you like this vehicle too. And guys, thank you for watching this video, and give us a thumbs up if you like the video, and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Guys, see you in another vlog. Guys, see you, bye bye.